Hi viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss goodwill and its calculations. Over a period of time, a well-established business develops an advantage of good name, reputation, and wide business connections. This helps the business to earn more profit as compared to a newly set up business. In accounting, the monetary value of such advantages is known as goodwill. Okay, in other words, we can say goodwill is the value of the reputation of a firm in respect of profit expected in future over and above the normal rate of profit. And goodwill is an intangible asset. Intangible means the asset we cannot see or touch. Okay. There are three methods commonly used for the valuation of goodwill. The first one is average profit method, second one is super profit method, and the last one is capitalization method. Now we can go through the first method, average profit method. Under this method, the goodwill is valued at an agreed number of years purchase of the average profit of past few years. Okay. Under this average profit method, there are two methods are used for valuation of goodwill. The first one is simple average profit method and the second one is weighted average profit method. Under the simple average profit method, goodwill is calculating by using the formula average profit into number of years purchase, and average profit is the division of the aggregate of normal profit by the corresponding number of years, or otherwise average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. Here, number of years purchase indicates the time required by the new business to come at a level equal to the old settled business, right? That means when you purchase a business, you will have to pay the goodwill along with the value of the net asset. Goodwill comes in existence after years of profitability. How many years? That is subject to the agreement between the buyer and the seller. The agreed number of years is the number of years purchase which is used for valuation of goodwill. While calculating the average profit, the following points to be noted. First one, abnormal loss should be added back to the net profit. If any abnormal loss is there, like loss by fire, loss by theft, if any abnormal loss is there, we should add back to the net profit. Second one, abnormal income of the year should be deducted out of net profit. If any other abnormal income is there in the question, we should deduct from this net profit for calculating the average profit. Third one, any remuneration of partners should be deducted out of net profit. And fourth one, income from investments should be deducted out of net profit. Now we have to solve a problem related with the simple average profit method. The goodwill of a firm is estimated at 2 years purchase of the average profit of the last 5 years ending on 31st March, which are as follows: 2014 rupees 15,000, 2015 rupees 18,000, 2016 rupees 10,000, 2017 rupees 4,000, and 2018 rupees 13,000. Calculate the value of goodwill. In this question, number of years purchase and last 5 years profits are given. So first of all, we have to calculate the average profit by using total profit divided by number of years. Here, total profit is the total of all these profit from 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. Okay, so we can add all this amount, 15,000 plus 18,000 plus 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 13,000 divided by number of years, 5. So here 5 years profit is given, so we can divide it by 5. Then we can get the average. Okay, so the amount would be 12,000. Next, we have to calculate the goodwill by using the formula average profit into number of years purchase. Here we already calculated the average profit, rupees 12,000, and number of years purchase in this question is 2. So goodwill equal to 12,000 into 2, 24,000. This is the way we are calculating the goodwill under simple average profit method. Now we have to discuss the second method, weighted average profit method. This weighted average profit method is the extension of simple average profit method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated by using the formula weighted average profit into number of years purchase. So for calculating goodwill, we need to ascertain the weighted average profit. Okay, so weighted average profit we can calculate by using total product divided by total weight. For this purpose, first of all, we need to calculate or we need to ascertain the product. Product we can get by multiplying profit and weight. Okay, then calculate the total product and divided by total weight. Then we can get weighted average profit. So this weighted average profit we can explain with an example. A firm's profit for the last 5 years were rupees 20,000, rupees 30,000, rupees 40,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 60,000. Calculate the value of firm's goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after using the weight of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Here the weights are given. For the help of this, we need to find the goodwill now. Right. The goodwill we can calculate by using this formula weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Here weighted average profit equal to total product divided by total weight. So first of all, we need to calculate the total product. Okay, so we need to prepare the table for the solution. So in the solution, I have written the year, all the profit that is mentioned in the question as well as weight in this table. Okay, now we need to find out the product. So we can name this column as A, this column as B and this column as C and D. D will be B into C. That means product equal to profit into weight. Now we can calculate the product of each year. First year, profit is 20,000 and the weight is 1. So the product is profit into weight. 20,000 into 1, that's equal to 20,000. And the second year, profit is 30,000 and the weight given is 2. The product is 30,000 into 2, 60,000. And third year, profit is 40,000, weight is 3 and the product is 40,000 into 3, 1,20,000. And fourth year, profit is 50,000, weight 4 and the product 50,000 into 4, 2 lakh. And the last fifth year, profit is 60,000 and weight is 5 and the product 60,000 into 5, 3 lakh. Then now we have to total the weight column and product column. Here the product column 20,000 60,000, 1,20,000, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. The total amount would be 7 lakh and the total weight column 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 total 15. Total weight is 15 and total product is 7 lakh. Then next we have to calculate the weighted average profit by using total product divided by total weight. Here the total product is 7 lakh divided by total weight 15. The amount would be 46,666. This is an approximate amount. Okay. Now we have to calculate the goodwill by using the formula weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Here the weighted average profit is 46,666 into number of years purchase is given in the question 3 and the amount would be 1,40,000. Once more, the steps under weighted average profit method is first calculate product and weight. Second one, aggregate the product or total the product and weight. Then calculate weighted average profit. After that, calculate the goodwill.